Hey there, it's Martha. I just thought I'd drop in with a really quick video invitation and reminder to our Zoom information session about the Mindful Photography in Nature workshop, this three-part experience that we have coming up in November. And I'm going to be on Zoom for a free info session together with my co-teachers, Melissa Maylett and Sarah Raposa. If you are opening this email out of interest, even if you don't think that you can join this particular workshop, I really encourage you to still register for the Zoom session so that you can get a recording. This is a just really unique experience that we're so excited to co-create and co-create together with the very small circle of participants that we will be guiding through this experience really of self-discovery, self-inquiry, using our camera as an extension of our awareness and attention skills, those same skills we bring to our mindfulness practice, but along with this very direct channel to our creative brain and all of the insights that that can provide for us. So I won't keep you any longer here, but you can register for the Zoom session via the link below in this email. And everybody who does register will get a copy of the recording that we'll be putting together. It's going to be very unstructured, answering questions. And again, even if there's some spark of interest or inspiration, pay attention to that and join us so you can meet all of us as a team and see if this experience calls to you. Thanks. Hope to see you there at 12:30. Just maybe less than, by the time I get this into the email, I'll probably be a little less than an hour away. So bring your lunch along, bring your questions along, bring your curiosity along. Hope to see you in the Zoom room at 12:30. Here today is Thursday, October 10th. Take care, all.